we are discussing about the algebraic identities. Here totally 8 identities they are given. On each identity we are trying to solve here some problems from the exercise, fifth exercise, that is 4.5. Okay, so in the first question, first one, x plus 4 into x plus 10. Okay, which identity we have to use? See here, x plus 4, x plus 10 means x is same, but here a, let's take a as 4, b as 10, which is that fourth identity, that is x plus a into x plus b gives us what? X square plus a plus b into x plus ab. Okay, so then our answer will be x plus 4 into x plus 10 is equal to, first x square is there, keep x square like that only, and in bracket a plus b, what is a? 4 plus b is 10 into x plus ab, what is ab? 4 into 10, 4 into 10. So here we will get x square plus 4 plus 10, 14x plus 4 into 10, 40. So this is our answer. Okay, so like this we have to do. Next, let's take the third one, second one for your practice. It is also same, but here they given 3x minus 5, 3x plus 4, 3x minus 5. Okay, let's take a as plus 4, b as minus 5. Okay, so using same equation, first x square is there, so in place of x square, 3x whole square plus a plus b, what is a? A is 4 plus into minus minus 5 into x, x plus 3x plus ab, ab means 4 into minus 5. Okay, so 3x square means 3 3s are 9, x is x square. Now plus 4 into minus 5, we will get here minus 1 into 3x. 4 into 5, 20, plus into minus, minus. Okay, so here we will get 9x square plus into minus, minus 1 3s are 3x minus 20. So this is our answer. So like this we have to solve. Now fourth problem. Here y square plus 3 by 2, y square minus 3 by 2. So which identity we have to use here? So seeing the identity, see the answer of that identity. X plus y into x minus y. Is it similar to here? In place of x they are taking y square. In place of y they are taking 3 by 2. So it will be x plus y, x minus y gives us x square minus y square. What is x square? Already y square is there. Again make it square. Y square whole square. Okay, minus y square. What is here? In place of this y square, 3 by 2 square. So y square whole square gets y power 4 minus 3 square is 3 3s are 9, 2 square is 2 2s are 4. So this is our answer. Now second problem, they given 103 into 107. Okay, so how to do this? First you write it in the expanding form. So I will write 103 as 100 plus 3 into 100 plus 7. Okay, so it means x plus a, x plus b. So our identity, fourth identity, x plus a, x plus b gives us what? X square plus a plus b into x plus ab. Okay, for every problem you write the identity, then only it will be easy. So here I will write 103 into 107 gives us x square means what? 100 square plus a plus b, what is a? 3 plus b is 7, x is what? 100 plus ab is 3 into 7. So 100 square is 10,000 plus 3 plus 7, 10. 10 into 1,000, 100,000 plus 3 sevens are 21. So here we will get 11,021 is our answer. Okay, if you add them, you will get 11,021. 90 plus 5 into 90 plus 6. So what is our formula? X square is there. X square means 90 square plus a plus b. What is a here? 5 plus 6. 5 plus 6 into x. X means what? 90 plus a into b, that is 5 into 6. So 90 square is 9 nines are 81 and 2 zeros are there, plus 5 6 are 5 plus 6 11. 11 nines are 99. So again 0 is there, plus 5 6 are 30. Okay, now add them. 0 0 0. Okay, 0 plus 9, 9 plus 3 12. Carry 1. 1 plus 9 10. 10 plus 1 11. Again 1. So 8 plus 1 9. So our answer will be 9,120. Okay, so like that solve the other problem. Now in third main, we have to check which identity will be suitable for this to solve the equations. See here, 9x square plus 6xy plus y square is there. So where we will get x square and y square in the plus value? That is our first identity, that is x square plus 2xy plus y square. But here 9x square is there. How to write in the form of square? So I will write it as 3x whole square. Again you will get the 3 3s are 9 and x square will be x square. Plus here we got x as 3x. Then we need the 2 here. So 2 into 3x. In place of x we are using 3x and y is same. So nothing to change. Y is there plus y square. So our factors will be x plus y. In place of x what is there? 3x plus in place of y, y is there. So 3x plus y whole square is our factors. So or else you can write 3x plus y into 3x plus y also. These two are factors of the given polynomial. So what they given in the factorize the following using appropriate identities they given in your textbook. Okay, so now we got the factorized two factors. And fourth one is for your practice. Third one, how to do? X square minus y square by 100 is there. So I will write like this. X square minus y square by 100 is there. I will write this as y by 10 whole square. It means x square minus y square. Where is that? X square minus y square. So here third identity. So in place of x, x is there, plus in place of y, what is there? Y by 10. Okay, next x minus y. So x is there same and y by 10. So x minus y by 10. So this is our factors, x plus y by 10, x minus y by 10. Understood? So like this you solve the second problem. Now fourth main, here we have to use again identity of fifth identity to expand this. They given first question, x plus 2y plus 4z equal 4z whole square. Okay, so identity is here, x plus y plus z whole square. In place of x, x is there. In place of y, they took 2y. In place of z, they took 4z. So just you have to use this expanded form. X square is there, so keep x square like that only. Y square means 2y square plus z square means 4z whole square plus 2 into x, y is 2y plus 2y into 4z. Next plus 2 into z, z means 4z into x is x. Okay, so now x square is the x square, 2y whole square means 2 2s are 4, y square plus 4 4s are 16 z square plus 2 2s are 4 xy plus 2 2s are 4 4 2s are 4 4s are 16 yz plus 2 4s are 8 zx. Okay, so this is our final answer. Now solving the sixth question. Here in place of x, y, z they took 1/4 of a minus half b plus 1 is there. Okay, so directly using the identity, first x square is there, so in place of x square I will write 1/4a, means directly I will take a by 4 whole square. Okay, plus is there, plus in place of y square they took minus 1/2b. Okay, so minus b by 2 whole square plus in place of z square here 1 is there, so I will take 1 square plus 2 into what is x, a by 4, a by 4, what is y, minus b by 2, minus b by 2 plus 2 of yz, so 2 y is what, minus 1/2b minus b by 2. Okay, what is z, z is 1 into 1 plus 2 into z is 1, 2 into 1 into x, x is a by 4, a by 4. Okay, so a by 4 whole square means a square by 4 4s are 16 plus minus b into square is b square and 2 square is 4 plus 1 square is 1, and here 2 into a by 4 minus b by 2 is there, so you can cancel 2 1s are 2 2s are, here plus is there, here minus is there, plus into minus, minus a into b, ab divided by 2 2s are 4. Okay, again 2 1s are 2 1s are, so plus into minus, minus b into 1 b. Okay, plus 2 1s are 2 2s are, a by 2, so here we will get a by 2. So is there any addition and subtraction is there? Okay, we can't do again because here squares are there, here a b and b variables are different, so we can't add or we can't subtract, so stop here only. This is the final answer. Now in fifth question they given the expanded form of identity. Okay, we have to find that identity back. See here x square y square z square, where we are getting x square y square z square in the fifth identity. So now what we need the x value, y value, z value. So how to get this? First we have to split the given term. Here 2x square is there. If I want in the place of x square, how to do write that one? Root 2x whole square. Okay, and here minus I am getting. So what is that? Plus 2xy. So it means either we will get the minus in x or y. But here y is single, so here we will take the minus y, because again 2zx in the place of x, again we are getting minus, so minus is attached to minus root 2x whole square. So if you again multiply with squaring, so again minus into minus plus root 2 into root 2, again we will get the 2, and x into x, x square plus, so y is nothing, so keep like that only, y square. Now 8 root 8 z square is there. How to split that? See here, where again we are getting the 8, again we are getting in the zx, means 2zx. Okay, already we have x as minus root 2, then we need the splitting of this 8xz in terms of root 2x. Okay, so for this I will change it as 2 root 2 z whole square. How it will be possible? See here, 2 root 2 whole square means 2 root 2 into 2 root 2. Okay, 2 2s are 4 will get cancelled, remaining 2. So 4 2s are 8. By calculating back, we got the 8. That's why 8z square I am splitted as 2 root 2z whole square. Now plus is there ours, because here in our identity plus is there. 2 is multiplying 2xy. What is x? Root 2x minus 2 root x. Y is there, keep like that only. Plus 2yz. So 2 into z is, y is already y, and z is what? 2 root 2. Okay, again plus, what is there? 2 zx. Z means what? 2 root 2 z. What is x? X is minus root 2 x. Okay, plus into minus, minus. Again we will get same thing. See here, 2 2s are 4 and root 2 into root 2, that is 2. 4 2s are 8. Again we will get. So what we got in place of x? Minus root 2x plus y square, not its square, plus 5 plus 2 root z whole square. So this is our answer for the given terms. Okay, so don't get confusion, try to solve it again and again, you will get to know it. Now in the sixth question they given 2x plus 1 whole cube. Where we will get? See here, sixth identity, what it gives? X plus y whole cube gives us x cube plus y cube plus 3xy into x plus y. Okay, using that identity we have to solve here. What is that identity? Write that. X plus y whole cube equal to x cube plus y cube plus 3xy into x plus y. Okay, so now you write it. 2x plus 1 equal to x square means 2x cube, it is cube. Okay, so 2x whole cube plus y is 1 is there, so 1 cube plus 3 into what is x? 2x. What is y? 1. So in bracket y plus x plus y, x is 2x plus 1. Okay, so 2x whole cube is 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8x cube plus 1 cube is 1 plus 2 3s are 6, 6 1s are 6, 6x. So we can't add, keep like that only, 2x plus 1. Okay, so this is our final answer. Is it possible to add any values? Okay, no, or else keep like this only. Okay, so like that, use the third one. So second one for the practice. So here 3 by 2 x plus 1 whole cube is there. So first is x cube. What you have to do? 3 by 2 x whole cube plus y cube is 1 cube plus 3xy means 3 into x is 3x by 2, y is 1. Okay, so x plus y, same thing. Again you have to write it. 3 by 2 x plus 1. Okay, so 3 cube is 27 by 2 cube is 8 x cube plus 1 cube is 1 plus 3 3s are 9, 9 1s are 9 by 2 x whole of 3 by 2 x plus 1. Okay, so still is it possible to addition or multiplication? Do it. So here 27 by 8 cube x cube is there, keep like that only, plus 1 is there, plus 9 by 2x into, so it is multiplying with the inside numbers, that is 3 by 2 x plus 1. So first you multiply the first two terms. 9 9s are 9 3s are 27, 2 2s are 4, x into x, x square, plus 9 by 2 into 1, 9 by 2 only, and x is there, keep like that only. So write in the order of degrees. First you write the bigger degree, that is 27 by 8, bigger power. Okay, next smaller, 27 by 4 x square. Next 9 by 2 x plus 1. So this is the final answer. Okay, like that do the first one also. 8x cube is there, keep like that only, plus, so I'll keep that plus 1 lastly. Okay, here 6x into 2x, 12x square, plus 6x into 1, 6x. So, and what I left at the last, that is plus 1, so keep like that only. So this is the final answer. Now in the seventh problem, they given 99 whole cube and 102 whole cube. Okay, the three problems they given. Out of 3 I am doing 2 here. So 99 cube I will write it as 100 minus 1 whole cube. Okay, so why I am written like this? We have an identity, that is x minus y whole cube gives us x cube minus y cube minus 3xy into x minus y. Okay, so what is x cube? 100 cube minus y cube is 1 cube minus 3 into xy, 3 into xy, x, what is x? 100 into 1. Okay, again 100 minus 1. Okay, so 100 cube, how you are write? First 20, again 20, again 20. So it will be 10 lakh. Okay, minus 1 cube is 1 minus 100 into 1, 100, 100 3s are 300. Okay, again into 100 minus 1, 99. Okay, so 10 lakh minus 1 minus 300 into 99. So what you have to do? Keep 2 zeros. Now 3 nines are 27. Okay, 3 nines are 27. 27 plus 2, 29. Okay, so 10 lakh minus, here also minus, here also minus, so 29,701. So if you subtract this, here you will get the, so final answer we will get 9,70,299. Okay, after subtracting you will get this answer. So like this you have to do the second one. So in the second problem they given 102 whole square. I will write like this, 100 plus 2 whole square. So we have the identity, sixth one, x plus y whole cube. Okay, this is cube. So whole cube is x cube plus y cube plus 3xy into x plus y. Okay, so x cube, how we will get? 100 cube. Y cube is 2 cube plus 3 into 100 into 2. So x plus y, that is 100 plus 2. Okay, so 100 cube we will get here 10 lakh. Okay, plus 2 cube is 8 plus 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. This will be 600 into 100 plus 2, 100 not 2. Okay, so here if you add this, first before adding, again you have to need the plus add, still you have to do the multiplication of these two. So 2 zeros are there, keep like that only. 6 twos are 12, again carry 1, that will be again 1, so 6 ones are 6. Okay, so now add them. 8 plus 0, 8, 0 plus 0, 0. So 0 plus 2, 2, 0 plus 1, 1, 0 plus 6, 6. Okay, lastly 10. So it will be 61 lakh, sorry, 10 lakh 61,201. So this is the final answer. Understood? So like this you do the practice, and from 8th question onwards are reduced for your first semester. Up to 7th problem you will get for your semester exam. Up to this much you have to practice.